Hello, good morning students. How are you? Students, I'm very fine, and I hope you also very fine. Okay, thank you students. Students, you now open your book at page 9 and look at the point J and K. Okay, students, you look at these pictures attentively. Here, a fan is on the van, grapes on a vine, and a boy is standing under the vine of grapes. And in point K, we see here 4 pictures: bird, fish, vegetables, elephant. Okay, students, now I say to you point J. What is here? You listen to me attentively. F is for fan. V is for van. The fan is on the van. Vine, grapes on a vine. Fine. I feel fine. I like grapes from the vine. Students, again I say it. F is for fan. V is for van. The fan is on the van. Vine, grapes on a vine. Fine. I feel fine. I like grapes from the vine. Okay, students, we will learn how to pronounce the letter V and F. And how is their sound. Okay, students, when we pronounce the letter F and V, we attach our upper teeth to lower lip. Again, students, when we pronounce the letter F and V, we attach our upper teeth to the lower lip. Okay, like this. F. You say with me, you follow me. F. And V, like this. V. You say with me, V. Okay, and letter F sounds will be fa. You say with me, fa. For example, we can say fan. fan. Okay. Now we. When we pronounce we, it will be we. You say with me, we, and its sound will be va, 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 va. For example, we can say van, wine, very. Okay, students, thank you. Students, now you say with me. Take your book and you say with me point J. You say with me. F is for fan. F is for fan. V is for van. The fan is one the van. Okay, students, you say with me again. F is for fan. V is for van. The van is one the van. Okay, students, now second para. Wine, grapes on a vine. You say with me. Wine, grapes on a vine. Again, wine, grapes on a vine. Now, last step. Fine, I feel fine. I like grapes from the vine. You say with me. Fine, I feel fine. I like grapes from the vine. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you so much. Students, now we will pronounce some words with F and V. You say with me. F. Okay, and its sound will be fa. Okay, now say fan, fine, fish, fail, elephant. Students, notice here. Elephant. Here there is no F, but here P is its pronunciation will be F, like F. Okay, so we say elephant. So we say elephant. Okay, thank you, students. Now the letter V, its pronunciation will be V, and its sound will be va. Okay, you say van, wine, veg, very, vegetables. Okay, thank you, students. Now look at point K. Listen to me. circle the pictures that have the sound F and underline the pictures that have the sound V. Okay, students. There are 4 pictures here. Now you circle the pictures that have the sound F and underline the pictures that have the sound V. Here is was. So you underline here. After that, fish. Here you use the circle because its sound is F. Next, vegetables. You use here underline because the sound is V. Next, elephant. You use here circle elephant. PH is like F. PH sound is like F sound. Okay, thank you students. Thank you so much. Students, I'd like to say you something by using the sound of F and V. Okay. Fa. I'm fine. Fa. You are fine. Fa. We all are fine. Va. I'm very fine. Va. You are very fine. Va. We all are very fine. Okay. Thank you, students. Students, could you say what have we learned from this lesson? Okay. We have learned from this lesson how to we pronounce the letter F and V and how to make their sound. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you so much. Students, I like you. I love you so much. I know you also love me. Okay. Thank you, students. See you later. Bye.